Hello, and a warm welcome to all our viewers out there. You're tuned into AI Chronicles, the show where we peel back the layers of the AI world to reveal the wonders and curiosities hiding beneath. This is your guide on this tech-tastic adventure, and today's episode is nothing short of extraordinary. We're spotlighting Amie, not your average AI, but Google's latest prodigy in the realm of medical diagnostics. Imagine walking into a clinic and being greeted by an AI that knows just what questions to ask, piecing together your symptoms like a master detective to reveal what ails you. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi novel, right? But it's happening, and it's happening now. In today's episode, we're delving deep into Amie's world. How does it work? Can it truly outsmart our most seasoned medical professionals? And most importantly, should we start preparing for a future where your doctor's appointment might just be a chat with an AI? We're going to explore all this and more, sprinkling in our usual dose of humor, insights, and maybe a few surprises along the way. As we venture into the intricate world of Amie, we're not just talking about a technological breakthrough. We're witnessing a potential paradigm shift in how we approach healthcare. This AI system, nurtured and developed in the Silicon Valleys of Google, represents a fusion of the most advanced machine learning techniques with the noblest pursuit of mankind, preserving human health. But with such a leap forward comes a myriad of questions. How does Amie interpret the complex language of human symptoms? Does it understand the nuances of human expressions of pain, discomfort, and concern as accurately as it does medical data? Today's exploration is not just about impressive algorithms. It's about understanding the balance between human intuition and machine precision. And as we peel back the layers of Amie's sophisticated programming, we also delve into the ethical, philosophical, and practical implications of such an AI system in the field of medicine. The prospect of an AI diagnosing illnesses is both exhilarating and daunting. It challenges our traditional notions of the doctor-patient relationship, bringing forth questions about trust, empathy, and the irreplaceable human element in healthcare. As we navigate through this uncharted territory, we'll ponder the future, a future where AI like Amie could be your first call in a health crisis. What does this mean for our doctors and nurses, the very backbone of our healthcare system? Are we looking at a collaborative future or a disruptive transformation? Join us as we explore these profound questions, offering insights and sparking conversations that might just change the way we view healthcare forever. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this fascinating journey together. It's time to explore the intriguing, sometimes bewildering, always captivating world of AI in healthcare. Welcome to AI Chronicles, the Amie edition. Let's see if Amie is the real deal or just a high-tech placebo. Imagine a world where your first point of medical contact isn't a human doctor, but an AI system named Amie. Developed by Google, Amie is the epitome of technological advancement in healthcare, a system so adept at diagnosing illnesses that it's giving seasoned doctors a run for their money. But Amie isn't just about the cold, hard data of medicine. It's about revolutionizing the way we interact with healthcare. Let's paint a picture of Amie's training, a process that could be likened to an intense medical boot camp where Amie is the only participant. This AI learned by simulating countless patient-doctor interactions, essentially playing both roles. Imagine an AI system having conversations with itself, asking questions, providing answers, and even expressing concerns, all in a bid to understand the intricacies of human health. This method, known as self-play, is akin to a chess player strategizing against themselves to master the game. But in Amie's case, the game is diagnosing and understanding human illnesses. But how does Amie compare to real-life doctors? In a series of tests and simulations, Amie didn't just match but surpass the diagnostic abilities of many medical professionals. Think of it as a friendly competition between man and machine, where the machine has started to take the lead. Amie's ability to sift through symptoms, ask the right questions, and reach a probable diagnosis was not just impressive, it was groundbreaking. However, Amie's rise isn't just about outperforming human doctors. It's about complementing and enhancing the existing healthcare system. The idea isn't to replace doctors, but to provide them with a tool that can make their work more efficient, accurate, and far-reaching. Imagine a rural clinic or a remote area where access to specialized medical care is limited. Amie could be a game-changer, offering insights and support that might otherwise be out of reach. But let's not forget the human element. Medicine isn't just about diagnosing and prescribing. It's about empathy, understanding, and human connection. It's about the doctor who holds a patient's hand during a difficult diagnosis, the nurse who offers a word of encouragement, the human moments that define healthcare. Amie, for all its sophistication, isn't there yet. It can mimic empathy and understanding, but can it truly replace the reassuring presence of a human healthcare professional? Moreover, there's the aspect of trust. How ready are we as patients and as a society to trust our health and well-being to an AI system? The transition from being diagnosed by a human to an AI system is not just a technological leap. It's a cultural and psychological shift. It raises questions about the nature of healthcare, the role of technology in our lives, and how we define the human touch. Let's also consider the ethical and privacy concerns. With an AI system like Amie having access to sensitive health data, the implications for privacy and data security are significant. How do we ensure that this data is protected? How do we navigate the ethical complexities of AI in healthcare? These are questions that need careful consideration as we step into this new era of medical care. Amie's development and success mark a significant moment in the journey of AI in healthcare. It's a glimpse into a future where AI could play a pivotal role in how we diagnose, treat, and understand health issues. But it's also a reminder of the value of human interaction in medicine. As we move forward, the challenge will be to find the right balance between leveraging AI's capabilities and preserving the human essence of healthcare. In conclusion, Amie represents both the incredible potential of AI in healthcare and the complexities of integrating technology into one of the most human aspects of our lives. It's an exciting time in the field of medicine and technology, a time of great possibilities and profound questions. As we continue to explore the capabilities of AI systems like Amie, we must also remain mindful of the human elements that make healthcare not just a science, but an art. As we wrap up this exploration of Amie, we're left with a sense of awe at the possibilities AI brings to healthcare, and a reminder of the irreplaceable value of human touch in medicine. The future is here, and it's a fascinating blend of human and artificial intelligence, working together to redefine healthcare as we know it. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the mysteries and marvels of AI in our world. And there you have it, folks, another episode of AI Chronicles, where the future of technology meets the reality of today. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into Google's Amie as much as I did. It's been an enlightening journey, exploring the potential and challenges of AI in healthcare. If today's episode sparked your curiosity, or if you're just excited about the future of AI in medicine, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with friends and family. Your support helps us delve deeper into the fascinating world of AI and bring you more content that you love. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Chronicles for more intriguing explorations into the world of artificial intelligence. Have thoughts or questions about today's topic? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. And if there's a particular AI topic you're dying to learn more about, let us know, and it might just be the focus of our next episode. Remember, the world of AI is constantly evolving, and it's filled with wonders and challenges that we're only beginning to understand. Stay curious, stay informed, and join us as we continue to navigate this extraordinary journey into the future of technology and healthcare. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop marveling at the incredible advancements at the intersection of AI and human life. Keep looking to the future, it's brighter than you think.